In this video, we're going to see a quick view of our Nextech R300 model. We have this in stock in both a 4x8 and 5x10 format. You can see here the quick and efficient 8-position rotary tool changer is standard on all of these models. Comes with HSK tool holders, collets, wrench stand, full PC front end with large Dell monitor, easy to use interface. Right now we're cutting with a 1/16 router bit. You can cut very fine, very detailed projects as well as larger tools in excess of 1 inch in diameter. It's a 12 horsepower spindle. Comes with material pop-up pins. I like this ISO view, which is a live view that you can zoom in and out of. You can actually see where the machine is working and verify programs when you open them up. 4-zone vacuum table, independent control of the dust shroud, 9-position drill bank, all servo drives in X, Y, and Z, helical rack and pinion in X and Y, and a large oversized ball screw in the Z. As you can see, our machines also come with a air nozzle as standard under the spindle. That can help keep the tool cooler and also help evacuate chips. These machines work with all the industry standard software packages. We do also offer en route software if you're in need of a software solution. And again, these machines are in stock and ready to go. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call or shoot us an email. We'd be happy to help and set up a demonstration to see this machine live today.